Today, we're going over how to identify different signs of brake issues and when it's time for a change. The first sign of worn brakes is hearing a new noise when you apply the brakes, such as squealing, grinding, or any other noises you hadn't heard before. Most brake pads have a component called a feeler. The feeler makes a soft metallic noise to inform a change is needed and does so without damaging the rotor. When the pads wear down, metal will touch the rotor, causing noise. This happens when going past the feeler. You may also notice you require a little more distance to stop your vehicle. Another symptom is a soft or spongy feeling to the pedal. That usually means there's an issue with the braking system, such as brake fluid leak, a worn-out master cylinder, or the fluid is too old and needs to be flushed and refilled. It's never a bad idea to do a visual inspection. Jack up the vehicle, support with jack stands, and remove the wheel. Then, check the rotor for gouges or uneven wear. Look at the edge of the pad to see if the material has worn thin. Doing a quick inspection of your brakes to make sure they're in good shape will help you stay safe on the road. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.